Hello and welcome to my origami tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to make a table. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to turn over to the plain side and we're going to fold paper in half and open it out. We can fold in half again, like so, and we're going to open it out and then fold into the centre. Like so, and we're going to fold into the centre this wise. Okay. Okay, so you should have something that looks a bit like that. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to pull out this little flap here and squash down. So what we do is we pull, create a point, and sort of pinch that there, and flatten down, so you have that. And we're going to do the same to the other three sections. So again, open, pull out, and squash down like so. And again, out, and squash, and out, and squash, like so. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to fold diagonally along this box, like so, and like so. So you kind of have something that sort of almost resembles a pinwheel, like that. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to do a squash fold, and we're actually going to put this back into the centre. So what we do is we open this out and we pretty much just squash it down back into a square, like that. And we do the same for the remaining three sides. So again, we pick up, open out, and push down. Open up, and push down like that. And we just do it to the last section. If it tries to crinkle, just push your finger all the way down into the corner, and that should make the fold nice and neat and square. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to do a kind of a kite fold, but that points into the centre. So we go in, like that. So you should have something that looks like that, and we need to do one along all the other three sides. And for those of you who don't like petal folds, I have some incredibly bad news, because as you can probably predict, they're going to do 4 of them. Okay, so now that looks like that. I'm afraid we are going to have to do those petal folds. So the way we do them is we go into the centre, we pull one out, and we reverse those folds, just trying to do it as neatly as possible, and then push down. Try to, if you run your finger along the inside, it can create a slightly neater effect. If you manage to do all 4 perfectly, well done, because no matter how many times you do them, you generally mess up at least 1 out of 4. Okay, so now on to the next one. Pull out, reverse the fold, push, there we go, and here again, we pull out, we reverse, you'll find some petal folds go easier than others. But trust me when I say trying to reverse, I know it might seem like a bit of an extra chore to some people, but trust me, it really does help make it at least a little neat. Okay, so now you should have something that resembles that. Next thing we need to do is we need to kind of do another kite fold, this time pointing outwards. So we fold these into the centre, like that. Okay, and we do it again. So we're doing this to get again all 4 legs. Okay, and the next step is that we fold all of these 4 legs into the centre. We effectively fold them in half. So we go like that. You won't be able to quite fold them in half, but what I mean is that you'll see there's like a natural section here where it can fold back. the reason for folding them back is that it will make it easier to bring them up to 90-degree angles, which is the final step. So we've pushed them all into the centre. You notice they've all sprung out a little bit. So you just push them out a little bit further, so they're pointing upwards, and you have made a table. Let's see if you can stand anything like it. We'll stand the crane from yesterday on there. That'll do. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this session. Good luck with those petal folds. Feel free to leave your comments. Take care. Bye.